Experiencing frequent logouts on the Mint mobile app? The primary culprits are session timeouts and a buildup of app cache. Session timeouts are a security feature that automatically end your session after a period of inactivity, typically between 15 to 45 minutes depending on your app version. This is meant to prevent unauthorized access. App cache stores temporary data to speed up performance, but over time, corrupted or excessive cache can cause glitches and failed authentications, leading to unexpected logouts. These issues are common in MVNOs like Mint Mobile due to their reliance on back-end servers and varying network conditions. As of mid-2025, Mint Mobile released an app update, v4.8.2, that extends idle timeouts to 45 minutes and includes automatic cache clearing prompts, but these issues can still persist. Start by clearing the app cache on your device. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Mint Mobile, then Storage, and Clear Cache. On iOS, navigate to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Mint Mobile, and offload app or delete app data. Next, update the Mint Mobile app to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Mint Mobile, and tap Update if available. This ensures compatibility with recent server changes. Check app permissions and network stability. In app settings, ensure Mint Mobile has access to location and mobile data. If on cellular, switch to Wi-Fi for better stability. Try manual login and force stop. Log out from the app, then log back in. Alternatively, force stop the app in device settings to reset the session. For advanced troubleshooting, uninstall and reinstall the app or reset network settings on your device. If issues persist, contact Mint Mobile support for personalized help.